Welcome back, guys. In this next video we're going to talk about how to create drop-down options so that rather than having to type different options out, you can use drop-downs. So this will work well within a call plan tool or a tracking device so you can quickly select what you want as you're working down your list. So for this one I want to create a drop-down for this option right here. Was I able to reach them? I created a separate tab over here with my answers that are my different answers, and then once I'm done I will right click this and hide that tab so that it's not in my way, or I can't see it later too. Okay, so right here I'm going to go ahead and erase those. I'm going to do Control Shift down to highlight basically every cell there. I'm going to go to Data, Data Validation, create a list, my source, click your tab, highlight your options, and click Enter. Now your options are here, so you have allow a list from that location and click OK. So now within each of these cells you should have the options. Now I've already I already did conditional formatting on this, so when I click yes I get it green. If I have a no voicemail, I mean it should go yellow, and it didn't, so something with my conditional formatting is wrong, which is fine. And I have working number, which turned red, and then withdraw, I wanted it to be black. So that means that everything is working except for this one. I likely typed voicemail out rather than VM in my conditional formatting, so I'll go check that out here in a second. There's also a separate video for conditional formatting if you're unsure about that piece. But that's how to do some basic drop downs. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks.